Since 2006, I've been building passive income streams, and over the past 4 years, I've reached a point where I'm earning more than I ever have while working less than ever. Focusing on passive income has transformed my life, and my goal is to help you earn an extra few $1,000s each month. Imagine being able to stop living paycheck to paycheck, stop overworking yourself for a company, and finally having more time for yourself and your family. You've probably heard about passive income before. Maybe you've even tried a few things, but they didn't quite work out. Let me reassure you, it's not because you did something wrong or because you're unlucky. The problem is that a lot of so-called beginner-friendly passive income ideas are way too complicated and just aren't designed for someone starting out. That's why in this video, I'll share 5 passive income ideas that actually work for beginners. Ideas I've personally tried and can vouch for. But let's be real here. Passive income isn't completely hands-off, especially at the start. You'll need to put in some effort up front. It might mean learning a new skill, creating something, or dedicating some time to setting it up. But once you do, you'll have the chance to enjoy the rewards for years. Now, if you're looking for a totally effortless option, I've got you covered too. One idea on this list doesn't require much at all. No learning curve, no major effort. You could literally sit on your couch and make money, but I'll save that one for last. With that said, let's jump into passive income idea number 1. Let me share how I stumbled across my first side hustle and how it inspired my journey with my income trek. My very first business came about because I realized people needed information I already had. At the time, I was working full-time and noticed that the skills and knowledge I was using on the job were in demand. People were asking me questions, looking for guidance, and wanting to learn how to do what I was doing. That's when I decided to write my first ebook. It wasn't anything fancy or complicated. It was just me putting my knowledge into a simple, easy-to-read format. I priced it at $19.99 and started promoting it on a basic website. In that first month, I made $39. It wasn't much, but it was proof that the idea worked. I realized that if I could make a little money while working full-time, I could scale it and help even more people. That first ebook became the foundation for everything that followed. It opened doors to coaching opportunities because people who read the book wanted deeper insights and one-on-one help. It wasn't just about making money. It was about solving a problem, sharing value, and building trust with my audience. Over time, what started as a single ebook grew into a coaching business, and that experience taught me the power of starting small and being consistent. This journey is why I created my income trek. To show others that it's possible to build something meaningful, even if you're working full-time, have a family, or feel like you don't have enough time. It all starts with one small step, and for me, that step was writing my first ebook. Retirement Planning for Real Life: How to Make It Work for You. Let's be honest, if you've been searching for ways to invest for retirement, you've probably come across plenty of advice from so-called gurus. They make it sound simple. Max out your 401k, contribute to a Roth IRA, and voila, retirement solved. But here's the truth. For most of us, that's far from reality. Life is complex, and one-size-fits-all advice doesn't work when you're juggling bills, family responsibilities, and the unexpected twists life throws your way. Whether you're a parent raising kids, a caregiver for a loved one, or simply working hard to stay afloat, the traditional approach to retirement planning often feels out of reach. And that's not your fault. Rising expenses, medical bills, and unexpected emergencies can derail even the best plans. The reality of retirement planning. The advice you hear assumes you already have financial stability. But what if you're just making ends meet? Maybe you're contributing a small amount to your 401k and stretching every dollar just to cover basic expenses. I've been there. I vividly remember budgeting $20 just to take my family out to eat once a month. That frustration and financial pressure pushed me to look beyond traditional advice and figure out how to create passive income. Not to get rich, but because I needed to. Retirement planning isn't about following a generic checklist. It's about tailoring it to your unique situation. Let's break down how to create a plan that works for you. Step 1. Be honest about where you are. The first step is to face your financial reality without judgment. This means taking a clear look at your income. How much are you bringing in each month? Expenses. Where is your money going, and where can you cut back? Debt. Is it manageable, or is it holding you back? Write everything down. Seeing the numbers in black and white is the first step to building a plan that works. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Before you think about investing, focus on creating a safety net. Start small, aim for $500, then $1,000, and work your way up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Why is this so important? Because life happens. A sudden car repair, medical emergency, or job loss can drain your savings and derail your progress. An emergency fund gives you a financial cushion to handle the unexpected without going into debt. Step 3. Make small investments work for you. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. Even small amounts can grow over time thanks to compound interest. Here's how to get started. 401k. If your employer offers a match, contribute enough to take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money. Roth IRA. Open one if you qualify. Contributions grow tax-free, which adds up over time. ETFs and index funds. These are affordable, low-risk options for beginners that provide diversification without needing expert knowledge. The key isn't how much you invest right away. It's staying consistent over time. Step 4. Create extra income. Let's be real. Most of us can't save for retirement solely on a full-time salary. That's why supplementing your income is crucial. This doesn't mean working endless hours or falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, find ways to earn extra money that fit your lifestyle. Some ideas include freelancing. Use your skills in writing, design, or virtual assistants. Ebooks. Share your knowledge, just like I did with my first ebook. It started small, but became the foundation of a coaching business. Affiliate marketing. Build a blog or YouTube channel and earn commissions by recommending products you believe in. Online courses. Package your expertise into a course and sell it online. Start with one income stream and build from there. Step 5. Build passive income streams. Passive income isn't truly passive, at least not in the beginning. It requires upfront effort and sometimes a small investment. But once it's running, it can provide steady income for years. To get started, identify opportunities. Look for income streams that align with your skills and interests. Put in the work. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or rental property, build something of value. Automate. Use tools to simplify processes, like scheduling content or automating email marketing. Step 6. Focus on health and family. Your retirement plan isn't just about money, it's about quality of life. Think about health savings accounts, HSAs. These help you save for medical expenses with tax advantages. Long-term care insurance. This becomes more important as you age. Legacy planning. Ensure your family is protected with a will, trust, or life insurance. Step 7. Stay motivated and educated. Retirement planning is a long-term game. Stay informed and motivated by reading books. Look for straightforward guides on financial planning. Following trusted sources. Find experts who resonate with your goals and values. Joining communities. Connect with others on the same journey. Sharing ideas and encouragement can make a huge difference. Your journey, your rules. Here's what I want you to remember. Your financial journey is unique. Don't let anyone make you feel like you're behind or failing. The truth is, creating a secure retirement takes time, effort, and often some extra income streams. I've been there. I started with $50 per paycheck, barely making ends meet. But through consistent investing, creating additional income, and building passive income streams, I turned things around. You can too. The key is to start where you are, with what you have, and keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use this advice. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on creating passive income, investing for retirement, and building a better financial future. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.